So does this signal the big thaw in Rajasthan politics? I have with me Mr. Sachin Pilot, and at the commemoration of the 25th anniversary of his father's death anniversary, Ashok Gehlot and in fact the entire Congress top brass was there. Sachin ji, you know, there's been a lot of talk about the factionalism in the Congress, the acrimonious relationship, and the fact that there were two groups in the Congress. Today we saw everybody on the same stage, and I spoke to some Karyakartas and they said this really is the way forward for the Congress.
Let me first tell you, there has absolutely been no two groups in the Congress party. If anybody had any difference of opinion, we had multiple chances. All of us sat down together and figured out how to move forward. We fought our elections in 2023. We didn't win the polls, but we did fairly well. We had a very good performance, unlike the last times where we reduced to 20 seats out of 200. This time we got 70 odd seats. So our performance wasn't that bad, even though we didn't win the election. It has been the endeavor of everybody, especially the Congress President, Rahul Gandhi ji, everyone, that these are times that are challenging for the country, for the party. We have to be united to take on the BJP. That's something that everybody understands. And Rajasthan, I can tell you with all the authority at my command that we have always been a united force. And moving forward, we have to work together to make sure that we're able to overcome the challenges that the BJP proposes. So in terms of individuals, everybody has a different way of working. But the ultimate objective of the exercise is to strengthen the organization and to win the next coming polls.
Well, you know, in terms of individuals is where the clash really happened, and then some pretty unsavory things were said to you. You felt quite hurt about it. You told me on record on NDTV. So has that rapprochement, do you feel somewhere a rapprochement has happened or a step has been taken forward, let's say?
जी, रात गई सो बात गई. किसने क्या बोला नहीं बोला, it's all in the past. Time won't come back. We have to look ahead. बहुत सारी चुनौतियां हैं. There are multiple challenges that the country is facing, that our politics is facing. Our institutions are being targeted. So I think we have to work together. Everybody has to work together. And I think I say for everybody when I say this that the future lies in working unitedly, in being able to combat forces that are bent upon dividing the country. And the Congress party remains the only alternative nationwide that can propose any hope. So we have to work and contribute towards making it stronger.
Thank you very much. So speaking to us in an exclusive interview, Mr. Sachin Pilot with NDTV.
आपको लगता है दूर हम कब थे? दूर कभी थे ही नहीं. प्रेम मोहब्बत हमेशा बनी रहती है, बनी रहेगी.
Harsha joining us to get us the very latest. Harsha, raat gayi, baat gayi, all's well that ends well.
रात गई बात गई and हम कब दूर थे is what Mr. Ashok Gehlot said. But behind the optics, I think somewhere perhaps there is some kind of backroom diplomacy that has happened to get both leaders together, because this kind of a thaw was really unthought of. And the fact that Mr. Sachin Pilot approached Mr. Ashok Gehlot, he was prepared for him to come, and then both leaders tweeted on X. So obviously somewhere in the Congress, behind the scenes, some kind of a churn is happening where the party has probably given a push to both leaders that the way forward for the Congress is to work together. Now, will this rapprochement last, and is the ice going to actually melt, or is it just a temporary thaw? We'll have to look out for signals, because as they say, perception is everything in politics. So what really is the message that we get ahead in the days to come will of course be crucial. But I was also talking to party leaders there. There were people who were from Sachin Pilot's camp. There were people who had been ministers in Ashok Gehlot's cabinet as well. Hema Ram Chaudhary, Harish Chaudhary, Mamta Bhupesh. They all said that if the Congress has to make a comeback in Rajasthan, then remember Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot, if they come together, it will only benefit the party. There are many political challenges. The caste census is one, for example. The wind has literally been taken away from the Congress's sails, because the caste census was a political pitch and an election plan that even Ashok Gehlot had worked on. Now, if the BJP is going to literally pull the carpet from under their feet, then what do they have? So perhaps somewhere, caste equations working together, both leaders coming together, and perhaps if Sachin Pilot gets Ashok Gehlot's blessings and he is positioned as a leader for the future, the Congress could actually make a good show. But it's too early to say as yet, because remember, elections in Rajasthan are still a good 3.5 years away. So I won't stick my neck out on that. But definitely, raat gayi, baat gayi, aur hum kab dur the.
Right, Harsha, this is a surprise peace pact that we're seeing in Rajasthan. Of course, big relief when it comes to the high command. But do you think the ceasefire can sustain? And that really is the big question.
I think the question is whether the Congress party can find different roles for both their leaders, who are popular leaders, very good with organizational skills, and who are actually star campaigners. So if the Congress party can actually channel both ambitions in an appropriate manner that benefits the party, that will require some deft political, tightrope walking by the party. If they can manage that, then this thaw will remain. And I think somewhere I do get the feeling that a push has come from the top. So if a larger role for Mr. Ashok Gehlot is planned in the future, and Sachin Pilot can do something in Rajasthan, then perhaps this thaw will remain. As long as the clash doesn't happen, the ambitions don't come against each other on the political battleground of Rajasthan, then the thaw will work.
Right, with Ashok Gehlot saying there was never any misunderstanding between us. Well, Harsha, thank you for getting us that exclusive interview. We will keep coming back to you for more on that.